In this video, I'll show you how to change the menu font in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the right hand side, simply click on the paintbrush for site styles. Now, once you are on the site style section, what you want to do is simply head over to fonts, and on the right hand side, click on the arrow going to the right. Now this will take you to the font section, and what you want to do is head over to the left hand side, which is your website preview, and as you can see, whenever we hover on a text box, it will have an outline. What you want to do is simply head over to the header and click on the menu. And once you do that, on the right hand side, you will see an option for the font. Now you want to click on the drop down for the current font, and in here it will automatically show all of the fonts in which you can add. Let's say I want to change this to Lato, and once you do that, as you can see at the very top, it will automatically change. Now what you could also do is upload a font, and to do that, simply head over to the top and right hand side, and in here you will see the arrow going up, and you can simply add your uploaded fonts. And once you're done, just simply click on a random section, and it will automatically save. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.